I started with the IT industry rather by an accident. I was finishing my math study. There were not many jobs on the market at the time. So I started to work for Softwarehouse, a German company which produces basic software, databases, languages, and ended up in the research and development department, and naturally grew up to a pretty solid developer. So that's why I ended up there. So I've been asked by some referrals if I would join STX Next, and when I started to look into the company, I found a company in a great moment of its development. It has a very successful past, but even more, I think it has a great future. And for me, STX Next is a great basis to make it great, make it bigger, make it more sufficient, and to serve customers all around the world. So I think we actually, in the starting point, even the history of the company is amazing. STX Next is a company which is great in operating, serving customers, is very flexible, and can react on the market situation fast and efficiently. And I think we have, with these capabilities, being prepared for whatever the market brings, and in every situation, winning against the competition, is somehow in the DNA of STX Next, and that's a great basis for future extension, future new offerings, playing much bigger role with the customer ecosystem. Clearly, I would love to make STX Next much bigger, but not only as the size, but also as what it offers to the customers. And in order to understand what I mean by that, if in 2, 3, 4 years from now, the customer would say, our success depends on STX Next, you are part of our journey, we're planning with you, that would be amazing, especially in the area of corporate accounts. So in my career, I faced many challenges over the nearly 30 years of my career. There were different stages. I worked in Russia in pretty turbulent times. I had to fix a Romanian team which was not believing in the taxes. There were many situations, but I think what was the most fun and important over the years was to adjust to the particular situation. Even though we have so many patterns and we learn from the experience of the past, the situations alter, they are not always the same, and adjusting and understanding really what works in a particular situation was basically the biggest challenge, always to decide what to do, what not to do. But that's also a great capability which I hope I acquired over the years. I tried everything in my life. I played nearly every sport, but at the end of the day, as the time is limited and so precious, I concentrating right now on golf, which is a post-tennis passion of mine, and guitars, which are with me since I was a teenager. So I'm not a great guitar player, but a great guitar collector.